Hi guys, what's up? My name is Matuizi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this video, we'll be talking about the importance of mentorship in your trading and whatever craft you got going on. Sit back and relax, grab a popcorn. Let us dive into real value so you can benefit from this channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Matuizi here. I know I've not been posting for a while, but I can guarantee you that this year we'll turn a new leaf. So I have a lot of videos planned for you guys this year. Different types of topics, different aspects of trading that you will definitely find value in. So all you have to do is stick to the channel and stay subscribed. Turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I drop new videos. On today's video, we're talking about the secret reasons why you are not making progress in trading. The secret reasons why you are not making progress in trading. Now, these secret reasons basically are under one particular major reason. What you need to understand about this trading thing is this: it's a very different type of journey or type of job, comparing it to maybe the medical sector, or comparing it to anything that has to do with your handwork or strength. This is not anything physical. This is something that has to do with the mind, has to do with your thoughts, has to do with your insecurities, has to do with your confidence level, has to do with anything concerning your psychological state of mind. So understanding the best way to go about trading is something that naturally you can't just know on your own. That's the honest truth. You can't just know it on your own. And the best way, the major reason why you are not making progress in trading is because you don't have somebody, you don't have a figure or somebody that has done it before to guide you. That's the honest truth. You don't have somebody that has done it before to guide you through the process. And I'm saying this because I also am a part of that category of people that did not have a mentor starting off trading. I never had somebody to tell me this is what I'm doing right, this is what I'm doing wrong, things like that. I just keep making mistakes on my own. I keep making mistakes with my own hard-earned money, and I use my money to learn from the mistakes I made in the last time I placed a trade or the last time I made a loss. You get? So all this long journey I had to go through, journey filled with pain, filled with doubts, insecurities, tears, thoughts, different late nights, could no sleep, different backtesting sessions. It would have all been shortened if I had a mentor. It took me about 2 to 3 years to get myself figured out in trading. And I know for a fact that if I had somebody that puts me in line in trading, immediately I got into it, definitely my journey would have been something about, let's say, a year maximum. Why? Because yes, I'll still put in the work, I'll still have to backtest, yeah, I'll still have to make some mistakes. But the truth is that I wouldn't take that the amount of journey and waste of time I did when I was doing it on my own, basically. So these are the things that you should understand, that a mentor can help you in reducing or solving. I apologize for my bad audio today. I came to the mall looking for a new microphone because the last one I was using got bad, and unfortunately I've been to all the stores that sells appliances and gadgets, and I can't find anyone offering me a good microphone. So you guys should bear with me. Maybe in our next video I would have gotten a good mic and I'll give you guys more quality audio, but I'll try my best to make sure that this audio is being refined and edited in a way that you can hear what I'm saying clearly. Now, speaking about the importance of mentorship. Now, first and foremost, the most important thing that you can get from a mentor is faster learning. Faster learning. I can't overemphasize this enough. How do I mean by faster learning? For example, definitely in trading you need a strategy. You can't deceive yourself. You need a working strategy that you know repeats itself and you can recognize it. So if I'm being honest with you, how do you get a strategy if you don't go through the chart looking for repetitions on your own. That journey of looking for repetition on your own can take you months, can take you years, not just months, because you have to find the repetition. That's the first step. Once you find the repetition, the next thing is to now test it out to see if that repetition has an edge in the long run. You test it out in 500 trades, 1000 trades, to be sure that, oh yeah, this thing has a pattern that it keeps forming every time, and it gives me this amount of profit every time it works out. For example, you are backtesting a strategy. Say, for example, you are backtesting order blocks. You have to go through your chart and backtest about 500 data of order blocks. Then check out how many risk to reward ratio those order blocks that you backtested can give you on an average. You still have to backtest how they work out in different sessions. Asian session, New York, London session, how they work out in different months. So you can see that this is a lot of information for only one person, especially a beginner, to wrap his head around. You see the reason why that beginner will spend a full year, if it's even wise, he will spend a full year trying to figure out that one strategy to favor himself. Whereas if he has a mentor, definitely the mentor will just show him that, oh, do this, don't do this, avoid doing this, do this. Then guess what? All he has to go and do now is practice that same thing that mentor has showed him. But if he was going to learn strategy on his own, he has to check one. Definitely not. It's not the first strategy that he tests. It's not the first strategy that he tests out that will work out for him. He has to test multiple strategies. Mind you, he has to test them with about 500 data sets. Imagine you are testing order blocks and you're looking for 500 data sets on, for example, Euro USD or gold or GBP USD. Then that doesn't work out. Then you now start a new backtest session to test out trend lines. Then you start a new backtest session to check out Fibonacci. Now imagine how long it will take you to be sure about Fibonacci not working out for you, to be sure about order block not working out for you, to be sure about trend line being your own holy grail. You see the point now why you will spend a lot of time looking for that strategy that will work out for you. And even if most important thing is that most beginners now get trapped in that holy grail pursuit. You keep looking for that holy grail strategy every time. You can see the order block is giving you about 50% accuracy, for example, but in your mind you feel that that 50% is too small. Let me look for something that will give me 70% accuracy. Then you start going into trend line, going to Fibonacci, going into Confluence, going into ICT, going into SMC and the like. So you now end up wasting your time. Not that you are not learning. You are learning, but you are learning what you don't need. You get? But if you had a method that just showed you one, and that one you key into it and spend your time on it, guess what? To be faster for you to determine if that thing is profitable for you or not in the long run than going around chasing circles. You get? Now, second thing that we're talking about to make you understand why mentorship is super important is fewer mistakes. Now let me take a break and sip my ice cream because it's getting defrosted. You can join me. You can grab your own cup of ice cream at home or anywhere you are watching me from. Now, let's talk about fewer mistakes. Like I said, those backtesting that you are doing, those studies that you are doing on your chart, trying to be sure about order blocks or to be sure about trend lines. Yes, at some point you will test them out in forward trading, either on the demo account or on a live account. If you were like me, you would test it on a live account. Why? Because I was privileged to be able to fund some little amount on my live account when I was learning. And guess what? Everything I funded, I used this for my own self-tutorship because I always blew them. I always blew my accounts. when I was starting off. So I found like $50, $30, and guess what? That same day it's all gone. Why? Because I'm trying to learn with real capital, and I didn't used to accept the fact that I will make mistakes. That's one of my issues. I didn't used to accept the fact that I will make mistakes. I used to feel like when I backtest, yes, if I can backtest this thing like this, then I should do it the same way now. I'm forgetting the fact that when I'm trading in live accounts, there's not just only strategy issue now. I'll be dealing with psychological issues, fear, greed, and the likes. But I didn't know about those things that time. So I was just funding account and blowing it, funding account and blowing it. But when I look back at it and I see that, oh wow, if I had a mentor, first and foremost, he would not even allow me to trade a live account. He would not allow me to trade a live account. The highest I would have done is maybe I would have funded, I've gotten a profit account maybe. He would have said I should get a profit account, maybe about $5,000 profit account, and I would have been making my mistakes on those accounts. You get? But I funded real life money and I used those real life money to learn. Now imagine I was just a mess basically. Those mistakes, I would have avoided them if I had somebody tell me don't do this. Instead, fund the demo account and learn this thing. Once you are sure about where you are going, how trading repeats itself, how you can recognize it, then you can now fund a little token to test it out, your psychology, implications and impact on it. Now, in terms of mistakes, I would have made a very little or no fewer mistakes basically if I had a mentor. Our next point is going to be clearer direction. Now, when we talk about direction in trading, we don't just mean maybe buying and selling. Are you buying or you are longing or you are shorting? No, that's what I mean. What I mean is direction in terms of your financial growth. Financial growth. How do I mean? A mentor is going to stand in for you to help you evaluate your life basically. It's going to look into your back end, let me put it that way, and definitely it's going to advise you on the best decision to make in investing in your skill. For example, now, if I had a mentor at the time, definitely what direction would I have been facing? I would have not faced the direction of funding a live account and blowing it all. I would have faced the direction of what? Learning first, demo account first, saving up my capital. You get? Now, some people have this habit of coming into the market and thinking that they don't need a mentor. Then in their mind, they know what they are doing. But it's not just about the trading aspect, it's about the direction aspect. For example, now, a mentor can tell you how you are going to scale up in your prop firm game. Some people go and buy, for example, now, they go and buy a 50k account, prop firm, and in their mind, they want to just use that 50k account to get funded and get a withdrawal, forgetting that they don't have the skill yet. They feel that because of they have big capital, that is the secret to trading. No, a mentor will tell you you don't need to have a big capital for you to be good at trading. That's the direction that normally a lot of people will follow. Getting a big capital, then blowing it. But with a mentor, he will advise you not to do that, and he will tell you the best way that you can go about your trading instead of blowing your money. That is what you can benefit if you have a mentor or somebody to guide you in making your trading decision. Now, let's talk about how much of time a mentor can help you save. That's our next point. It helps you save a lot of time. Now, like I said, if you were to test out all these strategies, what will you do? You can spend about a year or a year and a half to get your strategy. Then guess what? You can now need about 6 months to now perfect it. All this time, 2 years has gone by, 1.5 years has gone by. A mentor can help you shorten that time span to about 6 months, 1 year. You get the point. Now, another point is it helps you build confidence. A mentor helps you build confidence. When I say confidence, how do I mean? Many of us, a lot of us have been there before, where you take a trade straight to your SL, the next trade SL, the next trade SL, the next trade SL. Guess what? You are racking about 10 trades, 10 stop losses, and you are wondering what is going on. Am I Am I cursed? What is wrong with me? You start feeling like you are the problem. Yes, you have your part to play. You have the hard work to do. You have your studies to go and do. But that feeling can lead a lot of us to giving up on trading. But if you have somebody that has gone through that thing before, that feeling, that experience before, definitely he can advise you in the right way that, oh, don't worry now, it happens. These losses happen. It's a clear sign that you don't have your shit going on. It's a clear sign that you don't have your shit going straight. That mentor will tell you exactly where you're getting it wrong and where you need to buckle up. You understand? Now imagine you taking 10 losses back to back. I won't lie to you, you feel very, very drained. Your confidence level will be dead and low. But with a mentor, with somebody that has been there before, he can easily just give you the right motivational words that you need to hear to take you up back on track. Now let's talk about accountability. Yeah, I'll tell you the honest truth. Learning trading on your own comes with a lot of overlooking, let me call it that. As an individual, we tend to feel the need of blaming somebody else for our mistakes. For example, now you took a loss, you look around the trade, you don't want to blame yourself. You want to blame every other thing apart from you. You want to blame the broker. Good funded, their spread is too high, Joe. No. Xness, their spread is too. No. These are just you trying to throw blames to other things except yourself. You get, the market is something me. My stop loss, they came for me today. No. Only a mentor will tell you the honest truth that, guy, it's not your broker, it's not whatever you think it might be. It is you. Only a mentor will tell you exactly where you are the problem, that you should go and straighten out that issue you are having with yourself. But if you are learning on your own, you tend to procrastinate, you tend to idolize yourself, you tend to exempt yourself from the blame. You get? So somebody looking over you will put you in check when you are messing up. It is very difficult for a human being to put himself in check, and that is a very honest truth. You can check it around. Human beings like to blame other people than themselves. So if you have somebody that's putting you in check, definitely it is going to definitely push you in the right direction faster. The next point, 7th point that we're dropping now, is growth and guidance. Growth and guidance. Now, everything I've mentioned so far, the reason you are doing everything or you're trying to watch this video, for example, now, is because you want to grow. It's because you want to level up your game in trading. Now, that growth is the overall benefit of having this mentor. For example, him fastening up your learning, helping you make fewer mistakes, saving your time. This is actually fostering quick growth. That is the idea at the end of the day. Then guidance, obviously, is self-explanatory. It guides you through the process, whether you are already making money or you are not making money yet. A mentor can tell you, all right, it's time to do this, it's time to stop spending money like this, it's time to invest more in your trading, it's time to invest money in a different business venture, it's time to go to the club and enjoy yourself, it's time to treat yourself nice, it's time to buy something good for yourself so you can have a good psychology about trading money. You get? So a mentor can help you in so much ways than you ever expect. Now, I need you to sit down, go through this video again, and ask yourself the question. I'm not forcing you to get a mentor anyway. There are different people online that you can make your research on them before you can reach out to them for mentorship. If you don't have money to get a mentor, because we know how the internet has made trading these days, it has made it so that you must pay money to get mentorship. I understand. Now, if you don't have money to get a mentor, you can easily get a friend that is doing well in trading and go close to the person, ask them for help. You get? You are the one that needs something here. Definitely reach out to them. They can help you. If you don't have money that's making it in trading, meet your friend that's not making it in trading. Two of you can struggle it out. You get the point? You learn from each other. If he makes a mistake and you make a mistake tomorrow too, definitely you will not make the same mistakes. He can tell you that, oh, I made a mistake last time because I did this. Don't do this, oh. There's no road there, oh. then you can tell him that, I made this mistake last time, oh, don't do this, there's no road there. Definitely, when you are faced with that mistake, temptation, you will not make it. Why? Because your friend has already made that mistake for you. So, despite you not being a mentor or your friend not being a mentor, you can still hasten up your journey by learning from each other's mistakes. That's if you don't have money to get a mentor. But the right thing is to get a mentor anyway, because we all know how fast a mentor can put you on the right direction. Now, if you would like me to be your mentor, no problem. You can send me a DM or hit the link in my description below to join my Telegram channel. I'll be so open to any of your requests, whether it's a mentorship you're looking for, whether it's a signal providing you're looking for, anything you're looking for, just send me a DM. I'm one DM away. Now, you can follow me on my social media at Matuizi on Instagram, Twitter, Threads, on my YouTube also. It's Matuizi FX. Now, I'll see you guys in the next video. You can drop in the comments what you want me to talk about in the next video. You can drop in the comments what you feel about this video. You can drop in the comments anything that is going through your mind about whatever I'm saying. If you don't agree, no problem. Just drop it in the comments. If you agree, drop it in the comments. You can hit the like button on this video so that it can be suggested to other traders like you out there that want to learn from this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said earlier, subscribe, turn on the post notification, share the video to your friends and family that are trading. Then let's build a community. I'll see you guys in my next video.